To enable all permissions on your child's Android device, log in to AppLatch Kids app and add your child's profile. Tap on Usage Data Access to allow AppLatch Kids to monitor the other apps your child uses. Then, select Display over other apps to enable the app to display content over other applications. Next, tap on Accessibility so AppLatch Kids can monitor your child's screen time and prevent the app from being uninstalled. You'll also need to enable Read Notifications to allow the app to view sensitive messages sent to your child. Finally, tap on Location to let AppLatch Kids track your child's whereabouts. If you need to enable all permissions after the onboarding process, simply go to the device settings, select AppLatch Kids and enable all permissions. Now your child is all set to enjoy the AppLatch Kids app with a seamless experience. AppLatch Kids app is available to download on the App Store and Play Store for both smartphones and tablet devices.